Again, we're just going to have a look at a very, very simple bool function. This one is going to take in a number which represents a 24-hour clock, and then if the number given is an hour which is considered evening, then it's going to return true, otherwise it will return false. So I'm just going to continue using the file that we've already got. So it's a bool function, that's what it's going to return. It's going to return bool. It's got a name which implies that it's going to be returning a true or false value. That's why it's got the word if. Is evening in the title. It's going to be taking in an int which represents the hour. And then we'll just begin and end our function using our curly braces. Now to write this in the shorthand way, let's just think about what the condition is going to be. Basically, hour needs to be probably, let's say, if it's a 24-hour clock, hour will need to be greater than, let's say, 5 o'clock, so 17, and hour needs to be less than, let's say, 7 o'clock in the evening, so 17. So let's just say between the hours of 5 and 7 we consider to be evening. So I'm also going to say less than and equal to here and greater than and equal to there. So this is what would make an hour to be evening. So then we just need to return this. So we'll just say return this, evaluate this condition, whatever it works out to be, which will be true or false, and then return that value. And that needs to end with a semicolon. And just let's compile this. And now we can run this. We can even do something quite clever in here. So we can say if is Friday 5 and is evening. So let's give it a number which is going to be evening. Let's give it 18, so 6 o'clock. And then maybe we need to print out a double hooray. So let's compile this and run this. And there we go. Our bool function, our is evening function also works. And so this is a way of just writing. Normally we would write this as an if, so we would say if hour is greater than or equal to 17 and hour is less than or equal to 19, then return true, otherwise return false. And we've just shortened that down into one line. And it's okay to write it out with if to begin with, and then think about how this becomes the equivalent of that. And so there we go.